Hey, Zach Johnson here again, and I have an awesome new SlideShare that I just created, and it's all about showing you what happens on the internet within 60 seconds. Now, the great thing about running a website, a blog, or a business on the internet is that it's working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every single day of the year. Now, with all of this in mind, I'm going to be showing you some crazy stats, and you should be thinking about how you can get more people to your website using each of these different platforms and methods. Right now, 3.5 million search queries are going to take place within the next 60 seconds on Google. There's over $750,000 being spent online through e-commerce sites like Amazon.com every minute of every day. There's over 990,000 Tinder swipes taking place right now, and that just shows you how big and lucrative the dating industry really is. There's also 450,000 tweets being sent every 60 seconds. We also have 40,000 hours being listened to on audio and music devices like Spotify. We have 900,000 people actively logging into Facebook every 60 seconds, and this is happening every single day. There's also 342,000 applications being downloaded right now on popular mobile device application stores like the Apple App Store and Google Play. We have 16 million text messages being sent around the world every 60 seconds, and that again shows you the power of text messaging and SMS messaging. We also have 46,000 posts being uploaded to Instagram every single minute. Instagram is massively huge for growing your audience, and it's one that you should definitely be taking advantage of right now. With 4.1 million videos being viewed every 60 seconds on YouTube, it's simply a platform that you cannot miss out on. 156 million emails are being sent out right now, going around the world every 60 seconds. It's a massive way to connect with your audience. Over 1.8 million snaps are created right now. Snapchat, a lot of businesses don't know how to take advantage of it. Those who are, they're cashing in big time. Over 50 voice-first devices are being shipped around the world right now. One of the most popular ones being Amazon Echo. Right now, over 15,000 gifts are being sent through Messenger right now. It's all about Facebook. It's all about engagement. Figure out how you can use this type of content with your branding and content marketing. There's over 120 new accounts being created on LinkedIn right now. If you're doing anything with business or professional services, LinkedIn is a great place to be. Now here's a quick summary of everything we just went through. This is what happens in an Internet Minute in 2017, and special thanks go out to Lori Lewis for compiling all of this information. Now don't waste another minute. If you haven't started your blog already, you can do so right now by visiting blogging.org, where I will walk you through the process.